very strongly with your hands on the mat. Now tuck your toes. Make sure you engage your navel and slowly lift yourself up. When you lift yourself up, your focus is to lift your hips back and up. So lengthening your spine. Just imagine sending your hips higher up to the sky. At the same time, you're going to suck your stomach inside. Keeping that position of your spine completely straight, you're going to press your heels into the floor.
Come to your mat. You bring your hands underneath your shoulders and extend your leg till your toes touch the ground. Then the opposite one. So always keep the body in a straight line. Because this is kind of hard, people will have the tendency to do this or drop your hips. That's really bad because you'll hurt your lower back. So always pull through your belly and make sure the body is in a straight line. Roll the shoulders and keep the body really nice and long and engage your thigh muscles.
You're not going to push your chest down, hips up. You're not going to do anything. You're going to go like a stick. Your upper body on the top of high plank, it's going to be like a stick. And you're going to go straight down to the floor. Bend your elbows. Squeeze your stomach. Shoulders open. Stay here.
Just come onto your knees and placing your elbows really firm and nice. Interlock your fingers and take a few deep breaths. Curl back your toes. And as you exhale, just slowly lift your knees and hips away from the mat. And putting your head down, breathe normally, inhale and exhale. Make sure your breath is really normal. Dolphin pose is great to tone down your arm muscles and also is great if you have tight shoulders and opens your heart really nice. So do this posture repetitively to gain the benefits. Stand up tall and nice, take a few deep breaths. Once you're ready, gently bring your butt back and begin to bend your knees slightly and raise your arms all the way up as you inhale and make sure you have a normal deep breath. So in Utkatasana, the chair pose, your body weight should be onto your thighs instead of your knees. For number 2, just keep your breath really normal and bring your body away from your knee and still maintaining the knee position and the alignment, and stay here for a couple of deep breaths. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Now interlock your hands under your pubic bone. Tuck your toes each time. Lift both the legs up and then your neck up. Nice strengthening for your lower back. Your lower abdomen squeezes to a greater extent. Keep breathing.